and it's perfect for summer. So it comes with a little bottle that you can fill the fan, and then what else do we have in here? There is guarantee and manual, and we have a USB charging cable. There we go. And here it is. Let me just get it here. There we go. So very flexible, and the blades here, you can see how to turn it on. So you can put it on and it's perfect. So there are several different modes that you can use. There's a little bit more and one more. Heavenly. Heavenly when it's summer heat. Don't know if you can hear it. And here are the tanks that I can put this in. The water. There we go. And then you have misting. So here you can start misting, so it's even nicer. I don't have it on at the moment, but it's great. So this was my cooling misting fan, and I hope you like it. Thank you, and follow me for more suggestions.
Bye.